We are gathered here today to celebrate one of life's greatest moments, the joining of two hearts. In this ceremony today, we'll witness the joining of Jenna Edwards and Joshua Erenberger in marriage.
The way you smile when your feet hit the sand.
For them, out of the routine of ordinary life, the extraordinary has happened. They fell in love, and they're finalizing it with their wedding today. Romance is fun, but true love is something far more, and it's their desire to love each other and the life, and that is what we're celebrating here today.
Years keep getting shorter, and my love getting taller. Please stay young and small a little longer. And when you grow into a man, I hope you know you can always come home to mom and dad. Never forget, I'll love you again and again. I can see myself with someone else. I got used to having you around. Still, I just can't make it make sense. So I'll admit I have my doubts. Don't let our way become strangers. There are answers I can't find. Was there something in your touch that suddenly started changing? We were lost before we realized. Too afraid to cross the line. You and I, we were slowly breaking. But there are reasons we'll never find out. Like how we burned out with no goodbye. Was it in the time or the way we should have tried?
A good marriage must be created. In marriage, it's the little things are also the big things. It is never too late to hold hands. It's remembering to say, I love you at least once a day. And it's never going to sleep angry. It is standing together and facing the world through the challenges of life. It is speaking words of appreciation and demonstrating the gratitude in thoughtful ways. It's also having the capacity to forgive and forget. It is giving each other the atmosphere in which you both can grow. It is a common search for the good and the beautiful. It's not only marrying the right person, it's also being the right partner.
Joshua, the moment that we went on our first blind date, I was like, this is just too good to be true. He was just so nice and such a gentleman and wanted all the same things. I'm like, he almost didn't seem real. But then we got food poisoning, and then I thought, okay, this isn't it. But the truth is, I was scared to fall all the way for someone that was so kind. I came from something where almost completely broken, and I didn't think I'd be able to recover from. But even when I pushed you away, you see me at my worst. You were always in my corner, and I never felt the support like you've shown me ever. You were the one that completely healed my scars from within and filled them with love and made me feel like I could just breathe and be safe again. You were going to be my forever, and I felt it. Even more so when you were with Sailor. You took her in from day one and showed her what a dad is. I will always pray that our girls have someone that is so kind, puts them first, a best friend, someone that they can always laugh and have fun with, makes them feel safe, and makes them feel like home. So thanks for choosing me every single day. You are my soul, the love of my life, and an amazing dad and husband. I love you so much.
Jenna, I've never considered myself good with words, which is a good thing because I can't describe how much I love you and our family that we have created. But I'm gonna try. Talking to you has always felt natural and comfortable, same as it does with family. That is when I knew that we'd be here someday. Even when you broke up with me after your B-Day, those 5 days, I had faith we would end up here. We talk about how we wish we would have met sooner in life, but I believe that we were brought together because it was the right time for us. Our past traumas have helped shape and taught us a lot in life, but most of all, made us understand what true love really is. I can never thank you enough for giving me the greatest gift man can ask for, to be a father to Sailor and giving us our daughter Sally. You are my heart and my home. I love you, your heart, mind, body, and soul.
I, Jenna Edwards,
I, Jenna Edwards,
take you, Joshua Erenberger,
I take you, Joshua Erenberger,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
my partner in life and crime,
be my partner in life and crime,
my one true love.
my one true love.
I will cherish our friendship
I will cherish our friendship.
and love you today,
I'll love you today,
tomorrow,
tomorrow,
and forever.
and forever.
I, Josh Erenberger,
I, Josh Erenberger,
take you, Jenna Edwards,
take you, Jenna Edwards,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
my partner in crime and life,
my partner in crime and life,
and my one and only true love.
and my one and only true love.
I will cherish our friendship
I will cherish our friendship
and love you today,
and love you today,
tomorrow,
tomorrow,
and forever.
and forever.
And by the power vested in me and the internet to make it official, I now pronounce you man and wife. You may kiss your bride.
I can see myself with someone else. I got used to having you around. Still, I just can't make it make sense. 'Cause I'll admit I have my doubts. Darling, how do we become strangers? There are answers I can't find. Was there something in your touch that slowly started changing? We were lost before we realized, too afraid to cross the line. You and I, we were slowly breaking. There are reasons we'll never find out, like how we burned out with no goodbye. Was it in the timing or the way we should have tried? We were falling even when we tried to climb. Guess some love's just left behind. Guess some love's just left behind.
I still replay the words we never said. A quiet ache lingers in my mind. Yeah, I trace the moments that I can't forget. But love will slip out of time. Darling, how do we become strangers? There are answers I can't find. Was there something in your touch that slowly started changing?
We were lost before we realized, holding on to broken signs. You and I, too close to feel the fading. But there are reasons we'll never find out, like how we burned out with no.
Believe it or not, this is my first time meeting Josh in person. But the first time she told me about him, I could hear the happiness in her voice. And it was clear she was already over the moon. And then I saw pictures of him with Sailor, and I was very touched and it was very heartwarming. Josh, please take care of Jenna, aka Jen. She's precious and a dear friend to me, and I'm so happy you both are starting this beautiful chapter together.
Yeah, I remember walking in and I see this beautiful girl sitting there and I'm thinking, oh my gosh, she looks so sweet. She's amazing. We're gonna be friends. I knew it instantly. Does anyone know that nickname? Shot Nazi, college. So thank this beautiful girl. I don't remember much of college. So, but all that aside, she's just incredible, and I couldn't be so more thankful to be her friend. And Josh, thank you for doing everything for her and the girls, and just being such an incredible force in her life.
About time, Josh. Took you long enough. But like they always say, best things take time. Jenna, you are a heart send. I can't say enough about you. I love both your daughters so much. You have made him the happiest man I've seen him in a long time.
People say you should never meet your heroes. Well, Josh met me about 20 years ago. Within that chronology of friendship, I have seen some things. So when Josh told me about this girl named Jenna he wanted to introduce me to, you can imagine my surprise when I opened my front door and she turned out to be a real person. But I kept wondering the same thing anybody who has ever met Josh would. What is wrong with this girl? Josh, as it would turn out, she ended up being the one for you, buddy. And I'm sincerely happy for you. And I really wish you guys both the best in your life and in your family going forward.
I could see the way that you guys looked at each other, and you made my daughter smile, laugh, and the love. Jenna, I never told you this, what I was thinking at the time. I was saying, Jenna, don't screw this up. In all seriousness, Josh, this is all a dad wants, is to see his daughter, his little girl, happy. And I thank you, and I love you for that. Jenna, you will always be my little girl. That I love you very much. I'm proud of the woman that you have become.
They're a beautiful couple. But again, you guys, you're beautiful. You planned a beautiful event here. One more. I forgot my beer, but why not have another toast? All right. Thank you.
We want to thank everyone for coming. We know how crazy life can be, and we want you to know how much it means for us that you could be here to celebrate one of our most special days in our life. I'd like to especially thank my Uncle Scott for officiating. I know I dumped it on him last minute, and he nailed it. And my parents, Gary and Nancy, we would not be here without you guys. I mean, thank you so much. You made our dreams come true on a beautiful venue, on a beautiful night. To my groomsmen and the bridesmaids and matrons of honor, we couldn't be more honored that you could be here with us today to stand by our side and share this special moment with us.
I know everyone has traveled far for this: Iowa, Illinois, Colorado, Texas, Oklahoma, North Carolina, Alabama. Did I name them all? Iowa. Yeah, I said Iowa, didn't I? My mom, my dad, Glenn and Sydney, thank you. And Sierra, Megan, Tyler. Thanks for welcoming us into your guys' family.
There are reasons we'll never